Movie 2, Lambert St. International Airport damaged. Of course, here we are. Look at this. It like rips through here. Look at this, you can see peeled up some of the metal. You can hear their construction. And look at this door here. The glass is like half shattered. See the cracks in it? I'm just sad I wasn't here to video while it was going on. I mean, okay, I probably would have died if I was here to video this while it was going on. But it still would have been pretty epic. All this lumber that they have. Well, hey, they gotta put this stuff, they gotta make it right somehow, and they can't put glass in that fast. You can see the glass here a little bit. Just like scattered around. Dumpsters. Counted about 3 of them so far. Look over there. See if I can zoom in a bit. There we go. Right there, see that? It was holding something up. All the rocks thrown up there. I don't know if those are normally there. I don't know if you can see them either. But I can. Airlines are having to put people on other airlines, pay for their tickets on, because they can't get them out on time. Holy crap.
Yeah.
That's not a reflection, that's the actual damage. Wow. There were pots hanging up here. Potted plants. I remember them. Again! Oh, hot damn. Zoom in. Just ripped it up. Damage here, damage there, damage is everywhere. It really is. Look at this. Lift it up. All of that. It's just like lifted up. Not meant to be that way. And of course, here's the news teams. We can get where the news teams can't, though. At least I don't think they can get into the terminal. But as a ticketed passenger, I can. news media area. Yep. Oh, look, they're gonna have a show here. Show, right? See where I said it wasn't a reflection before? That's the other side of it. You can see the spiderweb cracks. Yeah, hold still here for a second. You can see this fluttering in the breeze. See that? This escalator's working though. And we hit 5 minutes.